Welcome back to the 13th session of math class. I am Miss Emima, class teacher of 3rd A. Hope you all are following the important measures, wearing a mask, washing your hands regularly, avoid touching your eyes, nose, face and mouth with unwashed hands, and eating healthy food. Also, don't forget to follow social distance wherever you go as COVID-19 cases are increasing rapidly. Try to stay at home as much as possible. In the last session from the chapter addition, we learned the topics addition of 3-digit numbers without carryover and with carryover, addition of 4-digit numbers without carryover and with carryover, and arrange and add. Now let's quickly recall what we have learnt in the last session. So the first question is, how much is 0 plus 425? So 0 plus any number is the number itself. So the answer is 425. The next question is, how much is 2456 plus 1? It is 2457 and it is also called as successor. What are the 3 addition properties? Zero property, order property and grouping property. Now we are going to learn the new topic, that is quick addition. We have already learned 3 properties of addition, that is zero property, order property and grouping property. So already we have learned zero property, that is if we add anything to 0, answer will be the number itself. And in today's session we are going to use order and grouping properties. Now we are going to learn quick addition and it is by splitting one number. The addends will be given. We have to split the number, only one number, and we have to add it. Now let's take an example to understand the topic. So the example is, add 36 and 42. So I said by splitting one number. So 2 addends are given, but we will split only one addend. Now they said 36 and 42. Add means 36 plus 42. And what do you mean by splitting? Splitting means breaking. And we will split the second addend and we will split it as tens. Now first we will take the first number as it is 36 and we are going to split only the second addend, and the second addend is 42. So first 42. So what is in tens place? It's 4. So 40. So 40 plus 2. We have split the number as 40 plus 2, that is tens and ones. Now we are going to change the order and we are going to add it. So already the number is 36 plus 40 plus 2, but we are changing the order here, that is we are taking 36 plus 10, that is we are taking the tens values, that is tens digits, 2 digits, and then we are separately adding the 1 digit, that is 2. So 36 plus 40 is equal to 76 plus again we are adding 2. So 76 plus 2 is 78. Now to explain you clearly, we will take another example. Here the example is add 75 and 39. That is, two addends are given, 75 and 39. We are going to split only one number, that is the second addend. Now add means 75 plus 39. So we will take the first number as it is. Then we will split the 39 into tens first, that is 30 plus what is the remaining number? 9. So 30 plus 9. Now we will change the order by taking tens together, that is 75 and 30, the two digit numbers together, and we will put them into one bracket, that is 75 plus 30, and we will take the other number, that is 9. Now we will take 75 plus 30, we have to add it. So 5 plus 0 is equal to 5, then 7 plus 3 is 10. So what is the answer? 105 plus 9. So for 105 plus 9 is equal to 105 plus we have to add 9 times forward counting, that is 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113 and 114. So the answer is 114. So 75 plus 39 is equal to 114. Instead of taking it into the arrange and add wise, we will quickly add it into grouping them and ordering them. Now we will take another topic, that is by splitting both the numbers. In the first two examples, we have split only one addend, but whereas here in this example, we will split both the numbers. So first number is 42 and the second number is 26, and they said to add. So add means plus. Now first we will split the numbers. So 42 means tens. What is the tens? 40 plus the remaining number is 40 plus 2. So 40 plus 2, then we will split this number, that is 20 plus 6. Now we will change the order and we will take the two digit numbers one side and one digit numbers to the other side. That is means we will only change the order. So here 40 plus 20, that is two digit numbers plus the one digit numbers, the remaining 2 plus 6. Now 40 plus 20, 40, 50 and 60. So 60 plus 2 plus 6 is 8. Now we will add 60 plus 8. What is 60 plus 8? 68. So 42 plus 26 is equal to 68. Now we will take another example. Add 284 and 48, that is 284 plus 48. So we are going to split the first number and the second number. First number, we will change only the order of tens. So what is 284? That is 280 plus 4. Then 40 is 40 plus 8. So now we will take the 3-digit and 2-digit number. We will change the order, that is 280 plus 40 to one side. Then we will add 4 plus 8, the remaining digits. Now 280 plus 40 times, that is 280, 290, 300 and 310, 320. So 320 plus 4 plus 8 is 12. Now you have to add 320 and you have to add how many times? You have to go forward 12 times. So 321, 322, 323, 324, 325, 326, 327, 328, 329, 330, 331 and 332. 12 times I have added. So it is 332. So 284 plus 48 is equal to 332. Now the next topic is by counting in tens. That means if addends are given, we have to split it into tens. Now we will see an example. We have to add 48 and 23. So first we will split 48 and 23. We'll see 48 plus 23. Now 48 means plus 20 how many times? 10 plus 10 plus 3. That means 23. 20 plus 3. 20 means 10 plus 10. Now 48 plus we will take the all the 2-digit numbers in one order, that is 48 plus 10 plus 10 and the remaining 3. Now 48 plus 10, you have to count in tens. 58, 58 plus 10, 68. Then 68 plus 3. Then 68 plus 3, 3 times you have to count forward. 68, 69, 70, 71. So 48 plus 23 is equal to 71. Now we will take one more example, 37 and 45. So first we will write 37 as it is, and then how many times we are going to write tens? 4 times, because 40. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, then 5, the remaining number 5. Then we will group them into 1, that is 37 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 and the remaining number. Then 37 only count in tens. So 37 plus 10, 47, 47 plus 10, 57, 57 plus 10, 67, 67 plus 10, 77, then 5. So 77 5 times forward, 78, 79, 80, 81 and 82. So 37 plus 45 is equal to 82. Now quickly take your book, pencil, and I have given you the classwork. First Roman number is find out the sum by splitting one number. So only we have to split the second addend. So 12 plus 26. So 12 as it is, and 26 you have to split it in tens and ones, that is 20 plus 6. Then group it into one order, that is 12 plus 20, then the remaining number. Then add 12 plus 20. 12 plus 20 is equal to 32. 32 plus 6, that is 38. And in the same way the B bit, that is 36 plus 34. First number take as it is, then split the second number first into tens, then the remaining one, then group it, that is 36 plus 30, then remaining number, that is 4. 36 plus 30 is equal to 66 plus 4, 66 plus 4 is 70. Now splitting both the numbers, you have to split both the numbers. So the given question is 24 and 23. So 24 means 20 plus 4, 23 is 20 plus 3. Then take the 2-digit numbers first, then add the remaining digits in the other group. Then 20 plus 20 is 40, 4 plus 3 is 7. Then you add these two numbers together, that is 40 plus 7, that gives you 47. In the same way 55 plus 78. First split the first addend, that is 50 plus 5, then the second addend 70 plus 8. Now take the two digits one together, that is 50 plus 70, then the one digit numbers together, that is 8 plus 5. 50 plus 70, count in tens and you will get 120, then 8 plus 5 is 13. So 120 count forward 13 times, you will get 133. And the third question is find out the sum by counting in tens. So first number you have to take as it is, and the second number you have to count in tens, and you have to add the remaining number, that is 47 as it is, then 38 you have to make them into tens. So 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 10 30. So 3 tens and the remaining number is 80. Now 47, count tens, count in tens. 47 plus 10 57, 57 plus 10 67, 67 plus 10 77. Then add the remaining number, that is 8. So 77 count forward 8 times, that is 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84 and 85. So the answer is 85. 47 plus 38 is equal to 85. Then the second one is 234 plus 25. Take the first number as it is, then make it into tens, that is 25 means 10 plus 10 20 and the remaining number is 5. Then group it with the 3-digit number, that is 234 plus 10 plus 10. Then count it in tens, 234, 244, 254. Then add 5 to it, that is counting forward 5 times. So 254 you have to count forward 5 times, 255, 256, 257, 258 and 259. So 234 plus 25 is 259. Now turn the book and see what assignment I have given you. Learn and write addition tables from 2 to 9. So from 2 addition table to 9, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. All the 8 addition tables I want, and I am going to check after the school reopens. That's all for today's class. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you all.